How did China's economy perform in the first quarter of 2024? Surprisingly robust, the world's second-largest economy expanded by 5.3%, outpacing the anticipated 4.6% growth forecast by economists. In the January to March period, the gross domestic product growth rate exceeded the fourth quarter of 2023's 5.2% expansion. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, China's GDP saw an increase of 1.6%, trumping the predicted 1.4% and the revised fourth quarter growth of 1.2%. This growth was not an internal affair alone. External demand played a significant role as export volumes saw a year-on-year growth of 14%. Jiwei Jiang, president and chief economist at Pinpoint Asset Management, noted that this strong first quarter performance may consolidate the government's confidence in its current policy stance. Industrial output for March, however, grew at a slower pace than expected, at 4.5%, falling short of the anticipated 6%. Retail sales also followed suit, growing at 3.1%, below the expected 4.6%. Bruce Pang, chief economist and head of research for Greater China at JLL, attributed the slower growth of industrial output to the sluggish utilization rate of industrial capacity. He remained optimistic, however, believing that the policy push of equipment investment could continue to bolster domestic demand and keep the annual GDP target of around 5% within reach. Last week, Morgan Stanley raised its 2024 real GDP forecast for China to 4.8%, from its previous expectation of 4.2%. Despite the weak export and inflation data earlier this month, China's economy is showing signs of resilience. To sum up, China's economy in the first quarter of 2024 surpassed expectations, with a GDP growth of 5.3%. However, challenges remain as indicated by slower than expected growth in industrial output and retail sales. Despite these hurdles, analysts remain optimistic about China's ability to meet its annual GDP target of around 5%. This resilience in the face of adversity is a testament to the potential of the world's second-largest economy.